Melting Pot is brought to you courtesy Meats by Linz. We're back, rolling out another recipe. You've heard about cream spinach, yeah? Fancy steakhouse and you're having cream spinach. Well, in the Caribbean, we have cream Patchoi. And I'm doing a steakhouse dinner for my boy Nigel Rojas, courtesy the folks at Linz. I am doing the sides. I'm really just pulling together the sides. All I did here was some good heavy cream from LL Beer, some butter, some Parmesan cheese, some onions, season it up well with some green seasonings, a little bit of garlic, and make that cream and cream cheese kind of just melt in there. I just kind of literally just kind of sauteed just a little bit of mushrooms with a little bit of garlic. I have a hot pan here because I'm going to pull together my steaks at this time. I have Nigel standing by, my brother. They say when you love steaks, you gotta love Linz steaks. Linz steaks is a new steak on the market that I tried and I fell in love with it. I love the strip loin. Something about the strip loin I love. I don't know what type of steak, what type of cuts you like.
Ribeye.
You like the ribeye?
Yeah.
So I was gonna do the ribeye, you know. But
strip loin has a dignity on its own.
Yeah. The strip loin, and I just love the strip loin. One of the important things with steaks, before you season, is to pat dry. You gotta pat the steaks dry before you apply any sort of seasoning, salt, pepper, anything at all. Pat dry. You want that all your seasonings to make sure and penetrate. These steaks available at Malabar Farms. Only you gotta get the steaks you love, which are Linz steak. Very, very easy and lovely and wonderful to work with. All sorts of cuts. You got Mr. Ribeye, you got the T-bone, you got the tenderloin, and then you also have, as I said, my lovely strip loin. I just want a little bit of salt here on either side. So normally I would just do salt and black pepper. But thanks to Linz, I have a seasoning, a steak seasoning that I'm going to use. Lots of flavor in there. I like to,
Wow.
Yeah. With that salt, all I need is just a nice coating of this Linz steak seasoning. Always remember, when seasoning, nice gentle massage, nice gentle rub, both sides. Once your steak's seasoned, you get a little bit of, just a little touch of olive oil. And I like to mix olive oil and butter. Butter for that flavor, and olive oil has a lot of flavor in it as well. Yeah? And then you get these bad boys and you sear. Searing for 2 to 3 minutes on either side. 2 to 3 minutes. Count with me. Nice, that's just 2 minutes on one side. Another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. At this stage, one of the things you can do, guys, see all that good butter? You kind of just scoop it back. All that good butter loves. It keeps the steak nice and moist. I'll just add a touch more butter. And this goes in the oven for just another 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, so make sure and get any cut of steak you like. This summer, pick up your steaks, now available at Malabar Farms.
No
I am doing a proper steakhouse experience for you here on Cup of Joe. When I go to a steakhouse, I like how the steak comes on a plate and the sides come for you to choose. So I did 2 sides for you today. That lovely cream Patchoi. I localize it a little bit, I Caribbeanize it a little bit. Yeah. Okay. And then I love mushrooms. You love mushrooms as much as I do, boy?
Yes, I think so.
I really love mushrooms. I find ways to use mushrooms when I can. Your sides are ready.
Wow.
And I want to believe your steak is just about ready. And we're going to give it about 5 minutes to rest. And I can't wait to serve up my brother.
Wow, Joe.
Don't be afraid. Mushrooms and cream Patchoi.
Wow. I think I'll try this Patchoi cream here.
So I like to localize it. You know, your cream spinach is a thing you get in steakhouses. Oh my goodness. How good is that?
Unbelievable.
That makes me feel like I should take a little bit.
Wow. Wow.
That you say there, Nigel.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Perfect mix of cheese and cream, spinach, Patchoi, flavor. Amazing, Joe. Amazing, man. Perfectly done.
This is available. This Linz brand of steaks. I promise you're gonna love it. Get it only at Malabar Farms, guys. And they're right there in Malabar. Check them out. We have Nigel Rojas here. He has some performances coming up on the show. We chat with him a little bit, and then we wrap things up. Celebrating musicians and music this summer on Cup of Joe.